update. There was an update. My iPad died and. Whew, did I really say it? I have an iPad. Like, y'all know this video is only 2 minutes, right? Two minutes and 10 seconds. Y'all know that? So I have part 2, part 3, part 4, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and part 5. I have 5 parts. Everything is getting pretty dark out there. Welcome back. Go test 10 seconds. 3, 2. Back. Wait, how do I know? I did not look. I did not look. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Y'all have to hear. Oh wait, bye. Like and subscribe for part 2. Part 2.